Kenny, this thing still runs. Hey guys, OBS Solutions. Got some exciting news for you guys. Check this out. If you look around here, we are in our brand new location for OBS Solutions. Now, why is that cool? Well, because we were out of room at the other shop. There was no room for like activities, no R&D room. Production was really tough for us. So we said, screw it, packed up our stuff, got the hell out of that shit box. More important news though, I said news twice, Kenny, sorry. We partnered up with Ace Metalworks. Now, why is that cool? Well, I'm gonna show you. How's that benefit, you ask? Well, check this out. You're looking at 20,000 square feet of pure manufacturing magic. That's right, press brakes, several lasers, robot welders, and one of the coolest parts is on-the-site engineering staff. That'll help us get new products to you sooner, R&D cut in half. And the cool part here, Ace guys are OBS guys. Same people with a twist. So check us out, people, obs.net. Thanks for following.